Imagine you're a busy printing shop owner, and your Roland XF-640 eco-solvent printer is the backbone of your operation. But one day, your trusty printhead gives up the ghost, leaving you scrambling to meet deadlines and facing costly downtime. The prospect of replacing it with a new printhead, only to risk losing print quality or encountering compatibility issues with your existing setup, is a daunting one. However, what if you could procure an authentic 100% original DX7 140 9010 printhead for your Roland BN-20, XR-640, or XF-640 eco-solvent printer? This high-quality, genuine printhead ensures seamless connectivity, vibrant colors, and precise printouts, giving you the peace of mind you need to focus on delivering outstanding results. Now, let's dive into the specifics of this product and examine its capabilities to see why it's worth considering for your printing needs. At first glance, the DX7 140 9010 printhead exudes a sense of solid engineering and premium materials. Its sturdy build, complete with a durable anodized aluminum casing, gives an immediate impression of durability and reliability. Upon closer inspection, it becomes clear that the design is well thought out, with every component carefully arranged to ensure ease of use and minimal maintenance. From the intuitive interface to the secure printhead connector, every detail is designed to simplify the printing process for the user. Now, let's take a deeper dive into the features that truly set this printhead apart. This DX7 140 9010 printhead boasts a number of impressive specifications, including compatibility with an array of Roland printers, including the BN-20, XR-640, and XF-640. What's more, its precise, high-quality printouts are made possible by the advanced inkjet technology, capable of producing up to 1440 by 1440 dpi image resolution. In real-world testing, the DX7 140 9010 printhead consistently delivered crisp, vibrant prints, complete with rich colors and sharp text. Its compatibility with multiple printers made it an ideal choice for multi-printer setups, ensuring seamless integration and simplified maintenance. In terms of trade-offs, one potential criticism is the requirement for a technical professional to install the printhead. While this may add to upfront costs, the benefits of improved print quality and reduced downtime far outweigh the costs in the long run. When it comes to weighing the pros and cons, the DX7 140 9010 printhead stands out as a clear winner. Compared to lower-end alternatives, the genuine DX7 140 9010 printhead offers superior print quality, reliable performance, and streamlined compatibility with multiple Roland printers. While it may come with a higher upfront cost, its long-term benefits make it well worth the investment. For printing shop owners, creative professionals, or anyone relying on high-quality, durable printheads, the DX7 140 9010 printhead from Roland is an excellent choice. If you're a printing shop owner or a creative professional in the market for a genuine DX7 140 9010 printhead, look no further. Order now and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a top-notch, high-quality printhead that will keep your operations running smoothly and your clients happy. Visit the provided link to purchase and get ready to breathe new life into your printing operation.